Introduction to page 8.7. Let's think about a mixture of particles. So I've got my empty vessel here, and here I'm allowed to put the blue particles and the red particles in. So let's see what happens if I just put 50 of the heavy particles. Well, they start to move a little bit more slowly, but eventually they disperse, and as they start bouncing off the walls, I'm starting to be able to read a macroscopic pressure, and it's 6-ish. As they're bouncing around, I'm getting a little variability, but it looks like about 6 atm. Let's take those out. Let's put in 50 particles of the lighter gas. They're moving a little faster, but let them settle down for a minute. It's about 6 atm. Let's put the other ones back in and see how they interact. Now I've got about 50 particles of blue, 50 gas particles of red, and look what happens in my total pressure. It's pretty darn close to 12, pretty darn close to the sum of those two. And the idea here is this idea of partial pressures. The red gas particles have a pressure, the blue gas particles have a pressure, and what we measure macroscopically with one pressure gauge is those individual pressures, and we call those the partial pressure of the blue, the partial pressure of the red, and they sum to the total pressure. All right, now let's go look at page 8.7.